Hello everyone, and welcome to this flip through of my tri-fold envelope journal, mini journal I guess you could call it. This one has been very heavily inspired by Edith Holden, who I love and I know so many of you love. It's all tied up with this beautiful pink magenta ribbon which complements the foxgloves that play quite a big part in this little mini journal. So the bow is really for gifting, or well, just for you to look at really. The whole journal hangs together very nicely without it, but let's open it up and see what we've got. So we have this lovely little tag here in Edith text. Edith text, it's so lovely, isn't it? And then this beautiful image here of the birds. And those of you that know me will know that I absolutely love blue tits. So this is a really nice front page for me. And it's actually an envelope. So inside the envelope we have a little journaling card with more of that lovely Edith text and this fussy cut flower. And as we go to the very front of the book, look at that. It's so Edith. It just is so Edith. I absolutely love that image. I've put just a little bit of lace down the side. It's only thin lace, so it doesn't detract from the images. Hopefully just enhances them a little bit. And as we open it up, we have another foxglove. It's just beautiful. And then when we open it completely for the trifold, you can see that we have, it's just covered in Edith images, absolutely. And when we flip it out again, you can see that the two on the side match these beautiful images with a bit of lace down each side. This envelope flips out and it's got this nice Edith image down there and the dog roses. So Edith. And this little well, it's a long journaling card that goes into there with Edith text. Let's just talk about this. This is a little journal within the mini journal, and I've just used various papers. This needs no explanation. And then we have a coffee stained, a map of the world, some more coffee stained, some old, and it really is old, very vintage. That's the original colour, I haven't coloured it. Some more coffee stained, and then a little kind of to-do page, I guess it is, where you can make yourself little lists, and a longer list down here. If you're anything like me, you need 4 times that sort of list. Some coffee stained paper, and that's the centre, and then we go back the other way, the reverse of that page. Coffee stained, music, coffee stained, the back of the map of the world, coffee stained, and that beautiful image on the back. Then we come to this image, gorgeous, with some lace down, and tucked into this pocket here we have this image, which is possibly my favourite of all the Edith images, the poppies in summer. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. And I've just inked around it just to frame it really, and I've left the back, I've inked it, but I've left it completely plain so you can journal in there. And that just tucks away nicely into that pocket. And in this pocket we have another full sheet of journaling with another beautiful Edith image. That one with the birds and the daffodils. Oh, they're just so nice, aren't they? They really are. And that tucks in there for another full A4 page of journaling. We've talked about this envelope. And this journal folds forward, and in this pocket we've got another full page of journaling. Oh, and if the poppies is my favourite, this is my second favourite. Or it might even be my favourite, I don't know. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. I can't say anything about it apart from the fact it's absolutely stunning. and blank on the back for you to journal on. And that just slides into there. So there's for all it's a relatively small journal. I mean, it is a small journal. There's lots of spaces for you to journal into. That's that, and it folds right over like that. Then we've got the reverse of our birdie image, and another journaling card in there with Edith text, genuine Edith text, with a little fussy cut in there. So there we are. That is the Edith mini journal trifold, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, it's just gorgeous. I love it. So thanks for joining me. See you soon.